shawarma.
Probably longer.
Oh, really? Hi guys, so I'm here in Barsha. We're outside Sultan Al Arab Shawarma because I am going to go in with Hiba Khurram, who was our food content creator guest last week on the Pulp podcast. But today's gonna be a little bit different because we're gonna see how exactly she makes the content, what goes on behind the scenes, and how she creates the content from all the shots she takes. For as long as I can remember, I've loved knowing how other people work, what their processes are, how they think, how they create.
We are going to try their 1 meter shawarma. It's going to be amazing. Let's go in the kitchen and see how it's made.
I've been on a lot of film and video sets in my career, but this one was so different than what I'm used to. And it was interesting to see how the concept of video production has just completely changed over the years. Hence, today I decided to experiment with this semi-episode and watch and observe a fellow content creator be in their element to see how the process has changed for creators. You can literally film with a phone and tripod, and that could be your moneymaker these days. But one thing for sure is that it's never a one-man show. You see all these people getting the food ready and waiting for their call to start layering the ingredients is part of the magic.
So there's a 1 meter shawarma, and I think there's a really big fataya as well that you do, right? Oh, 1 meter. I don't even know, like, probably longer than the whole space cleared up. I'm gonna get some chicken.
It all starts in the heart of the kitchen, where the stage is set. The symphony of sizzling pans and the aroma that envelops the room. It's here that the culinary dreams take shape, regardless if it's shawarma or a 5-star Michelin restaurant. The passion, precision, and focus is always the same whenever I've gone behind the scenes into a kitchen.
We can do all chicken or half-half? Okay, let's do half-half then.
Hiba has done this before. You can tell. She uses her phone to tell the story. It's important to note that the visual appeal of food is just as vital as its taste. Every element on the plate is carefully chosen and thoughtfully arranged to create a visual stunner. It's not just about the food, it's about the story. You see that smile on his face? It's the look of someone who's just turned a sandwich into a masterpiece.
I just asked if we can get a normal size chicken shawarma and just compare the sizes. Okay, so basically, the first thing you need to do is make sure the kitchen looks good as well. Try to find your angles. If the light is not good, have an extra light with you. And then, yeah, just like asking the process before they start making it so you can film accordingly. So yeah, I got some wide shots, I got some close-ups, I got some action shots. Good to add some human element. So I got some videos of him showing the shawarma as well. And now I have a measuring tape with me so we can measure the shawarma and have that in the video as well and compare it to the regular shawarma size. So I think that'll be very interesting. Okay, let's come and film it.
Woo!
So much. Wow, that looks amazing.
That,
You have the tire on the side.
thank you so much. Wow.
But anything for good content.
Yeah.
This shawarma is like almost the size of my face.
Had you planned to do that before you shot, or did you just come up with it now?
I actually had it in mind already. When
Yeah.
I was at home, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna ask for a normal one so we can compare it as well.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna film the shawarma. Okay.
But it's not just
it'll
about the
just, like,
plate,
pan out.
it's about how you capture it. The camera is a storyteller, and the angles, lighting, and composition are the tools that transform a meal into a visual narrative. Pay close attention to these details as they're key to creating mouthwatering content. And in the end, as Hiba looks at the final shot, there's a sense of accomplishment. The knowledge that she's crafted not just a meal, but a visual experience.
We are the best.
Behind the scenes with this 2 meter, 1 meter or 2 meter?
1 meter. Not 2. We could not do 2 meters.